Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a great Filipino writer from Central Visayas, Rizal B. Mojares, the colonial author I'm being choosing, Rizal B. Mojares. This Rizal B. Mojares is a famous author and historian from Cebu. He writes about Filipino history, culture, and the Visayas region. He helps people understand the importance of Visayan culture and how it connects the rest of Filipinos. Two of his notable works as an author. Number one is the War Against the Americans, Resistance and Collaboration in Cebu, 1899 to 1936. This book talks about how the people of Cebu fought the Americans during the Philippine-American War. Number two is The Brain of Nation. This book is all about three important Filipino thinkers, Pedro Partino, Isabelo de Soros Reyes, and Jose Rizal. Explain how their ideas shape the identity of Filipino people. What makes Rizal B. Mojares' works notable to readers? Rizal B. Mojares' works stand out because he does just talk about big historian events. He also focuses on these events affected ordinary Filipinos. His writers help readers understand how Filipino important Visayas culture is to the Philippines. What should the young generation study? Appreciate the authors from the past, present, and future. Young people should read authors like Rizal B. Mojares because they help us learn about our history. Understanding the past can help us make better decisions, and the future. Reading works from different times let us see how much we grow as a nation and appreciate our own culture. The Rizal B. Mojares, a writer who helps us understand our history and culture. Thank you for listening.